Okay, second time in 2 years, road trip, finally. Saved all year for this, and you know, children are all grown up and gone. Now's the time. And the nice thing about a road trip is that we're not forced to stay in any one location for any length of time, so we can go where we please, as long as we please. Now, I've caught up on all the laundry. I've pressed out Mark's shirts and folded them for him. So, and he's going to pack his own bags, and I'm going to pack mine. And of course, I've got a couple of pair of jeans, a pair of sweatpants, and of course, dresses. I want my summer dresses in there. And try to keep them as wrinkle-free as possible, but that doesn't always work. Dresses are just so comfortable in the summer heat. And jeans can be a little bit too warm. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Cool. So I'm just going to continue packing as many dresses as I can and as many tops as I can, and we'll see where we go. And I do have a separate bag for toiletries and a separate bag for my laptop and other things, my cameras and that. So yeah, it's going to be a few bags. 8:01 in the morning.
The coast bear right.
And we're crossing at 40. Across the border with no difficulty.
You got a sign coming up.
There it is. Pennsylvania.
How am I going through the way station? Oh, there's Western.
Well, this is day one of our road trip, and we drove through Ontario, New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Kentucky, all in the first day. long day. I think we were on the road for probably about 12 hours total, and it's been pleasant, uneventful. Just had to avoid a lot of road debris, tires, of course. There were a lot of tire bits on the road, and Mark spotted deer every 5 minutes or so, a dead deer on the side of the road, which was a bit of a surprise to us that there were so many of them. As I say, the whole day was pretty much uneventful, just a long drive, a few stops along the way, and well, that's day one. So after an all-day, very long drive, we did decide to stop in southern Kentucky in a small town, booked a hotel room, and Mark checked around to see what we could have for dinner. And he told me my options were McDonald's or Mexican, so we both opted for Mexican.
Gotcha.